Think waist length type 4 hair could never work in a mousse-only wash and go? My 4B, 4C curls are soft, bouncy, lightweight, and dry in no time with just one product. No heavy layering, no complicated routine. Let me show you how. Good morning. Today I'm going to do a wash and go with a new mousse, and this is the Olive Oil ORS Wrap, Set and Mousse. And if you're curious to know how this holds up for a wash and go with only one product, this mousse, keep on watching. A lot of my mousse only wash and goes so far have started on dry hair, but today I'm going to wash my hair, refresh my scalp. It's been warm. I want a clean scalp. If you would like to see my entire routine, how I wash, detangle, and condition my hair, I have another video I'm going to put in the description box. You can see every single step that I take and why I take it. And you might want to have popcorn or a cup of tea because it's about half an hour. Anyway, let's wash my hair. Regular stream massage is much more powerful. Now that your hair is wet, you're going to apply your shampoo, your conditioner, your vinegar to rinse your scalp. You're done with washing. Now we're going to apply our mousse. Wow, it smells nice. It smells nice. You remember in old days there was a product called Wave Wool. It was a product for curly hair. It smells like that a little bit. It smells very pleasant, like a garden. So the application is very smooth. Feels nice on my hair. I'm wondering though if it's going to have much hold. And I'm also a little bit concerned because it has denatured alcohol as the second ingredient. So I'm expecting it to dry really fast, but I don't expect it to be very moisturizing. So we'll see. If you want to see a whole process of applying mousse, I'll put a link to another video you can watch or in the description box so you can finish this one first. Just want to show how my curls are looking so far. Quite okay actually, and I'm pleasantly surprised with the amount of slip. This is what it's starting looking like so far. Stay tuned to see what it looks like when it's starting to dry. So my hair is still wet. Have to blow dry it a little bit and then I'm ready. So I still have some areas with white residue. I'm a little bit curious to see if it's going to flake. We'll see. Excuse the background, but this is what my hair looked like at the end of the day. Just want to make sure that I recorded some photos of the hair dry. And I also, as an extra detail, want to share a mini length check of my hair. What length do you think I am now? And what is your hair length and what hair length goals do you have? If you want to know more about how to grow your 4B, 4C type hair, and you also enjoy wash and goes as I do, make sure to watch the next video that YouTube is about to suggest. And thank you very much for watching.